Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to set up fraud monitoring or enhance your security settings in Cash App to help detect suspicious activity and protect your account. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account setting. Scroll down and look for privacy and security. Tap on it inside the section. You will find several useful options to monitor the secure and account. To enable fraud protection features, make sure that security lock in turn it on. This will require your Face ID, Touch ID, or password for every payment. Next, under the notifications section, make sure push notification and email alerts are turned on so that you get real-time alerts for any activity on your accounts. This helps you quickly spot and unauthorized access or transactions. Additionally, you can link your Cash App to your email and phone number and check for any unauthorized device from your connected device settings under your profile. If you noticed anything suspicious, tap remove device. Immediately also keep your app updated from the App Store or Play Store to make sure you always have the latest security feature. And that's it. Now you have fraud monitoring set up on your Cash Apps account. If this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials to keep your digital life secure. See you in the next one.